Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Wednesday, March 31st, 2021. It is Wellness Wednesday. Here's a tip. Unwind by unplugging. Try a digital detox 1 hour before bed and see how much better you sleep. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Today we'll have breakfast, and for lunch we'll have a corn dog. There are no birthdays today, but I would like to wish a very happy late birthday to two of our teachers that got left off. Miss Guidry and Miss Bauer both have celebrated birthdays this week, so happy birthday to these two lovely ladies. Today's announcements. Our 5th grade learners will be testing this morning. Please remember to be quiet near the computer lab and the collab lab. Also be sure to stop by the lounge and vote in the school calendar for next year. Late duty today will be Miss Wolf. Tomorrow will be Miss Arch. We have ACAP testing going on today. April 1st is Paraprofessional Appreciation Day. The 5th through the 9th is spring break. Then we'll have spring pictures. ACAP summative is ending on April 30th. May 3rd through the 27th will be our iReady diagnostic testing window. May 5th through the 9th is Teacher Appreciation Week. May 5th we will have Candace Tracy during extended PE, and May 6th is Nurse Appreciation Day. Our ACAP PEP partners, 5th grade's testing this week, and their partners are 2nd grade, so they are cheering them on. Also, shout out to Miss Waller. She is recognized by Miss Smith. Her name was inadvertently left off the list yesterday. She also has her 4th quarter goals set in AR already. Way to go. Also, we will be bringing around new AR posters to distribute for your classroom so you can track those 4th quarter AR goals. The word of the day is meter. A baseball bat is about 1 meter long. A meter is a standard unit of length in the metric system. And that's all for today's news. Have a wonderful Wednesday.